Hello, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to the channel. I want to say thank you, but first, what I am going to be using for the scrap room is going to be Freaky Fest, or Freaky Fast, and it's the June formula for this month, and what I have to have is a 10 by 12, a 3 by 12, a 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, and 3 by 3 piece. And so that is what I am necessarily doing here, is that it's going to be the different pieces from the 49 and Market, the new collection from Vicki Boutin. This is her first, if you don't know, this is her first collection that she is doing with 49 and Market, and the quality is just as good as if you were getting another 49 and Market, and like if you were getting Vicki Boutin's product. It's a really good product, very heavy, very much her. I decided to, in the midst of this, I am using this as one of my embellishment pieces. It is one of the pie background that I cut out or before I came on. I guess I prepped myself a little bit, since this is a pretty quick layout. I've never filmed a layout in 19 minutes in my life. I don't think I've ever gotten that one, unless something would go wrong. This was a super quick layout. I did not realize how quick this was going to go. I know that the challenge is Freaky Fast Friday, but I'll be honest, I was amazed on how quick this went through. So I want to say thank you over at the Scrap Room for giving me the opportunity to be the guest designer for the month of June. This layout was fast and easy, and I really love working with their product. I have been getting their stuff now for quite a while, and I absolutely love how they just put their kits together, their flavors of the month, their coffee, everything. So thank you so much over there for giving me this opportunity. So here are the pieces that we had to work with, and I am working and putting this all together. Now, since I haven't been scrapbooking for a little bit, an extra minute or two here, with everything going on with school, this kind of went on the back burner, and I didn't like it, but it is what it is. And I'm still trying to get my bearings straight of where I need my layout. So I'm sorry that it's kind of cut off at the bottom, but essentially you're still seeing what I'm doing. So you get a redunculous amount of embellishments in this particular collection, and I absolutely love every piece of this. So you'll see how I kind of put this all together and bring it all together. The photo that I have is the very last photo of my last year being in third, because this was the summer that I found out that I was going to be moving to fourth grade for the first time, and this was my last year. So this was the year-end banquet for this particular year, and this was my team. Let me tell you, this team, I love this team. We're actually still really good friends, and I still work with two out of the 4 or 5 of us, well, including myself, so I guess the 2 out of the 4. And then the other one actually is at the school where my daughter's at, and one of them unfortunately moved back home to Texas. But let me tell you, it's been a blast to work with this this individual set, and it was a lot of fun that year. So this was the awards night. So 3 out of the 5 of us, 3 of us got awards. The other 2, which is myself and the gentleman, we held up our placemats as our awards. It's an inside joke. It was one of the best jokes that we've ever had, and this photo was definitely getting scrapbooked because it was so much fun. So yeah, that was what the photo's about. So here I am, I'm just embellishing and getting everything done. So I kind of played off camera a little bit, trying to get this all put together and just embellished down. So now here I am, I'm putting all of the other finishing touches and whatnot on there. I did not use much of my stash other than any type of adhesive, so dimensional, my ATG gun, and my Liquid Tex black splatters. That is all I did on here. That's it. Everything else came from the kit. So I do, to let you guys know, I do use, and I always get the embellishment kit because I'm a heavy embellisher. And what I mean by that, if you're not sure what that means, is I use a lot of embellishments to the point where I barely have anything left. And I absolutely love that about these kits, because once I get the embellishment kit and the embellishments for each individual flavor of the month, it works to the point where I can get, me personally, one layout per kit. Now, most of the other design team members and other individuals can get more than that, but that's because I'm a heavy paper and embellishment person. But I'm okay with that. I'm okay getting one layout per set. Now, others can do a 2-page spread and have no questions asked. So just know that that's how I am in that regards, but just know that you can definitely do a double-page spread. I know that some of the design teams do the double-page spreads, and they turned out wonderful, and all of that. I'm just, heavy and everything, and that's just how it is. So this is the final part of it. The still shots are coming up. Thank you so much for allowing me to be the guest designer for the scrap room. And I hope that you guys all enjoy the rest of your day. I hope that you guys all stay safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.